I've been lucky enough to dine in some of the best restaurants in Britain, in fact, all over the world. And one of their real secrets is this. It's a sous vide cooker. And now, thanks to Burton, you can recreate this restaurant quality food at home. Sous vide translates from the French as under vacuum, and the magic of this is the vacuum sealed bag, which literally seals in the flavours and nutrients. It's then cooked in the warm water bath to absolute perfection, time after time. See what a difference sous vide cooking makes to this steak. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to enjoy the very best of home cooking, go to the Burton Sous Vide website for lots of handy tips and recipes, and just imagine what you could create with one of these.